Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by setting clean levels. Make sure peaks hit around -6 dB to -3 dB so the compressor has headroom. Next, pick a compressor type, VCA for precision, FET for punch, optical for smoothness, because the device shapes tone differently. Once chosen, engage the sidechain high pass at about 80 to 120 Hz to stop low end from triggering gain reduction. Now set a medium attack to preserve transients, then a medium release so phrasing breathes naturally. Those first steps set the whole process. You now tighten control. Lower the threshold until you see 3 to 6 dB of gain reduction on louder phrases. This gives audible leveling without squashing. Once done, set the ratio to 2, 1 through 4, 1 for natural compression. Use 6, 1 or higher only if you want pumping control. Make sure to tweak attack between 1 and 30 ms. Faster attacks tame consonants, slower attacks preserve punch. Finally, match release to tempo, so compression breathes with the performance. You finish by applying makeup gain to restore perceived loudness. Toggle bypass and match levels so you judge compression, not volume. Once done, add 10 to 30% parallel compression for extra body while preserving dynamics, and blend it with the dry signal so consonants stay clear. Make sure to automate gain or release settings across sections when needed. If things go wrong, check for pumping, raise sidechain HPF, or lengthen release. That usually fixes rhythmic artifacts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.